Hi viewers, welcome to traditional home style cooking channel. Now I am doing oats and cashew nut upma. The ingredients I am taking white rava 1 cup, 1 cup of oats and some roasted vermicelli and small cup cashew nuts. The ingredients, these the ingredients. And I am taking vegetables, beans, carrot, green chilli, onion, some piece ginger and small size tomato, or if it is medium size means take half tomato in that. So now chop beans, carrot. I'm chopping beans in small pieces, bits like, because this upma, while frying these vegetables, it will easily cook while frying these small pieces. So beans, carrot I am chopping in small pieces, and next like this I am chopping. Next take carrot, peel the carrot and chop carrot in small pieces. Now chop it like this in small bits, and after that I am chopping green chilli, this is a long size green chilli, so I am chopped like this, and peel the ginger and chop into small bits. Next chop tomato into small pieces, and chop onion. I chopped onion into large somewhat large bits, and tomato in small pieces. Like this cut the vegetables, and take kadai. These are the ingredients totally we are taking for the upma. Take kadai, heat well, and add oil 5 to 6 spoons, and I am adding 1 spoon ghee. Add pop items, urdu dal 1 teaspoon, and gram dal 1 teaspoon, and jeera some, and 1 teaspoon mustard seeds. Add this, and after frying add cashew nuts to this, and mix well. Add curry leaves. Now add the chopped vegetables except tomato. I am adding all chopped vegetables, and fry well until it turns to light, changing the color. So I am taking 1 full cup of white rava. I added 3 cups of water. In this ratio I am adding water to this, and for oats and vermicelli I am added 1 more cup of water. So it will be very nice in this ratio. Add tomato and red chilli also, and fry well. Now it changes the colors, vegetables change the colors. Now we can add water in this stage, and add 1 full spoon rock salt for the taste. Next let it boil for 20 to 30 seconds. So for while it was boiling, vegetables will cook in this water, and add vermicelli, and after 10 seconds add oats to this. After 10 to 20 seconds add white rava to this. Now add rava. So we has to add lightly and mix well like this, so that lumps will not form while mixing the white rava. We has to mix with the stir with the spoon lightly, and after adding the rava, stir for some time. That means for 10 to 10 or 20 seconds we can stir gently, do not form lumps, and mix all ingredients to the rava and oats, everything. So it was starting cooking. At this stage these splits are forming. So to prevent these splits, hot splits, close the lid for a few minutes and let it keep the flame in medium, so it will cook well. Again gently mix and close the lid for 1 minute. Keep the flame in medium or low, friends. Do not keep in high flame. Now upma was ready. Oats and cashew nut upma was ready. Garnish with coriander leaves and ghee. If you spread 1 spoon ghee outer layer, the smell of the taste and flavor of the upma is very aromatic. So we can serve this upma with green chutney or coconut chutneys or pickles. So I am serving this upma with coconut chutney. Very very tasty. This is very easy process, friends. You can try it. I explained step by step process, and ready to taste with coconut chutney. This is a perfect breakfast or dinner recipe. Please like, subscribe my channel, friends. Give comment in the comment box. Write my traditional home style cooking in the comment box, and please subscribe, like my channel. Thank you for watching my channel. Enjoy the taste and flavor of the oats cashew nut upma. This process children will like it, this process of cooking upmas with oats. So try it and give your valuable comments. Thank you.